Hey everybody, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back. We're playing Agar.io. Yeah, Agar.io on phone. This isn't that fun. Yeah, so let's go. Oh yeah, I forgot you can, oh, no, I'm not even touching the screen right now, seriously. Okay, now I am. You see that blue to do. Like that blue ball thing. Oh god, I'm screwed. Or yes I am. I just ate that, man. I just died. Stop my picture. The frick? What? No. 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 Direction. On touch. Nope. Button position. Corners. Show mass. I have no idea what that is. Show arrow. Nope. Target background. Sure. Show level. Yeah, sure. Ooh. This is nice. I don't like it though. Somebody eat me. You sir, eat me. Yeah, I know I'm dead. Options. Oh wait, no. Don't show level. And let's see. Yeah, it's nice. Pretty good. Pretty good. Not right now. It's already hard enough on my computer.